Guys, good news. Throughout this year, XRP has continued to draw a lot of interest from South Korean investors. By the way, the XRP community has continued to challenge the asset's absence, despite Ripple's prior remark on its exclusion from the liquidity hub. We will be analyzing what Ripple's general counsel has to say on the matter. The CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, recently said that the exchange is considering leaving the U.S., although it is yet unclear how this will affect the SEC, the U.S., and cryptocurrency in general. Follow me through to the end to learn more. Check out this new video right away if this sounds like something that would interest you. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel where we discuss the most recent XRP news as well as general cryptocurrency news. If you're watching one of our videos for the first time, we'd like to extend a special welcome. To ensure that you never miss another video, please click the notify button. We are presenting a 200 XRP prize on this channel. You may enter by doing nothing more than becoming a channel subscriber, liking this video, and leaving a comment with the hashtag XRP. The winner will be revealed on April 30. The bulk of crypto enthusiasts worldwide continue to embrace XRP. However, recent patterns imply that South Korean investors are more interested in the asset. Based on trading volume this year, XRP has firmly established itself as the most widely used asset in South Korea. This is supported by data from the cryptocurrency market analytics firm Kaiko. Kaiko has conducted an analysis of the leading altcoins in the cryptocurrency markets based on the number of trades they have seen since 2023's first day. Volumes from several exchanges, including Korea's 4 main exchanges, were considered in the report. Coinbase data from the Kaiko research reveals that since the year's beginning, XRP trade volume on the 4 biggest exchanges in South Korea has increased considerably, reaching an estimated $16 billion. The volume of Nano and Dogecoin, which take the second and third spots, respectively, is more than 3 times greater in the figure. In actuality, the volume of trades for XRP on these exchanges exceeds the volume for the 3 assets that hold the second through 4th places taken together. For background, Upit, Bithumb, Coinon, and GOPAX are the 4 largest exchanges in South Korea. Recall that last month, XRP surpassed Bitcoin in terms of trade volume on these platforms. On Upit alone, the asset witnessed a 24-hour volume of more than $500 million. Following the asset's price climb that got underway on March 21, there was a sharp increase in the volume of XRP trades. The rally flooded XRP with a tremendous amount of demand. Additionally, Kaiko claimed that the XRP rally was mostly fueled by demand in a recent study, experienced by Korean investors. The market data company, however, found that South Korean retail investors, not institutions, accounted for the majority of this demand. Along with the increased interest from Korean investors, whales in numerous countries have kept building up their XRP holdings, particularly in expectation of a positive outcome in the Ripple v. SEC case. The top 100 whales on the Binance Smart Chain are shown by Whale Stats data to own more than 52.6 million XRP tokens, worth an estimated $26.8 million. Additionally, a Coinmetrics chart showed that the number of addresses holding at least 10,000 XRP tokens had more than doubled since the SEC case started. The number rising from less than 120K in December 2020 to more than 260K at this time. In the meantime, the price of XRP is $0.51 right now, up 0.22% over the previous day. Please don't forget to hit that notification and subscribe to our channel. Ring to be the first to learn more information about recent XRP developments. Stuart Alderodi, General Counsel at Ripple, has responded to inquiries from the public on the technology company's decision to exclude XRP from its recently released Liquidity Hub service. Ripple's General Counsel, or Chief Legal Officer, Stuart Alderodi, has responded to inquiries from the public on the technology company's decision to exclude XRP from its just-launched Liquidity Hub offering. The Silicon Valley Corporation kept other cryptocurrencies, but purposefully left out the asset. Alderodi responded to questions on Twitter with clarifications. The attorney's remarks were made shortly after John Deaton's Twitter Spaces discussion on the subject. Alderodi provided these clarifications in a different series of tweets because he was unable to attend the session. Liquidity Hub is designed for businesses or institutions, not for individual consumers, Alderodi underlined. Because of this, the product needs a lot of liquidity, but XRP has the advantage since Liquidity Hub has consistently been marketed as a tool for gaining access to liquidity from a variety of crypto assets, not only XRP. Alderodi highlighted that the majority of their customers are American institutions, and the demands of these customers cover a range of assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Alderodi claims that Ripple aims to satisfy these requirements. In addition, he emphasized the regulatory ambiguity that surrounds XRP in the United States as a result of the ongoing SEC litigation against Ripple. Alderodi emphasized that institutional clients, particularly those in the United States, value regulatory clarification because using a product that includes XRP might result in SEC enforcement action. Alderodi further outlined the differences between ODL and Liquidity Hub, highlighting the fact that the former currently accepts XRP and will do so going forward. Remember that Ripple had offered explanations quickly after worries that it had omitted XRP surfaced on the subject. The XRP community has still asked questions despite the firm's response. During the Twitter Spaces session, Attorney Deaton also attempted to address the problem. Deaton stated that he does not place blame on supporters who are dissatisfied with Ripple's choice, but made it clear that the decision was made to allay any worries that might have been voiced by businesses using Liquidity Hub, particularly those situated in the United States like JP Morgan, Coinbase, and others. Deaton claims there is yet another factor too. The SEC may serve a preliminary injunction on the court ordering it to halt Liquidity Hub if it contains XRP, which is the basis for this judgment. Now for our primary concern of the day. How will Coinbase's exit affect the SEC, the US, and cryptocurrencies in general? How will Coinbase's exit affect the SEC, the US, and cryptocurrencies in general? Please don't forget to hit that notification and subscribe to our channel. Ring to be the first to learn more information about recent XRP developments. The recent comments made by Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, in which the executive divulged that Coinbase may leave the United States owing to the current regulatory uncertainties, have prompted a response from pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton. Armstrong disclosed this information while he was a speaker at London's FinTech Week. As per a current Bloomberg story, the local crypto industry and cryptocurrency enterprises have not benefited from the U.S. regulatory environment. In light of this, Armstrong disclosed that Coinbase, the country's largest exchange at the moment, would think about leaving if the regulatory environment changes. In a few years, if regulations for the cryptocurrency market are not put in place in the United States, Coinbase may have to look for investment opportunities abroad. In the past few weeks, Coinbase has become the second exchange to draw attention to problems with the regulatory environment in the United States. Exchange last month, Bittrex announced that it would be closing down business in the United States due to harsh regulations. The US SEC charged Bittrex for running an unregistered securities exchange shortly after this news. As the SEC continues to XRP versus Coinbase regulates the industry, Coinbase has also come into some legal snags. Some of the assets featured on the exchange are classified as securities, according to an SEC lawsuit. In light of this pattern, Coinbase is currently thinking about moving. In response to news stories about a promising regulatory future for digital assets in the United Arab Emirates, Deaton commented on Coinbase's thinking. Deaton drew attention to the Coinbase news by pointing out that some nations, like the UAE, are welcoming an influx of cryptocurrency enterprises, while the US is seeing an exodus. Deaton emphasized that Coinbase had taken all necessary precautions to maintain compliance and had even been granted permission to go public 2 years prior. The attorney referred to Gary Gensler, the chair of the SEC, as one unelected bureaucratic who has emerged since that time. Devin further stated that the crypto industry might not receive any regulatory clarification from Congress in the upcoming years when testifying at Gary Gensler's congressional hearing today. Conclusions. If you found it enjoyable, kindly hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like buttons for the video. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. Don't miss any of our content if you are a true cryptocurrency enthusiast. See you tomorrow as we discuss the most recent news that affects the entire community.